Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we have another unboxing, and today we're going to take a look at a watch winder. This is just an unboxing. Obviously, I've never had a watch winder before, so this is something new for me. This is coming from a brand called Jqueen. I'll put links down below. It's a brand from Amazon. I don't know what they send, so I have no idea what's in this. So off the top of my head, I wouldn't be able to tell you how much this costs, but I'll put it on the screen and you'll find it into the description box down below. Again, you may have seen the pay promotions tag in the corner of the screen. They sent this over for the review. I don't have to return it, so bear that in mind as the video goes along. Now for this review, I'm going to use my trusty Swiss Army knife, which I got today as a present for my birthday. So it's a late present for my birthday, and to unbox this bad boy. And for once I have a knife that cuts. Now to watch winders, I've never had a watch winder before, and watch winders are good if you have a lot of automatic watches, obviously, because this thing keeps them moving so you don't have to set them all the time. Oh, by the way, I do apologize for the fact that this doesn't fit in the frame because the box is quite big. So what do we have here? Nice padding. This is a manual. Let's take a look at that. I'm going to go through this as quick as possible. So watchwinder manual. Okay, we'll check that out. We also have a cloth, which is decent. This is okay. So this is the power brick. So it's only for the EU, it's not for the UK power socket. And okay, let's take this out. I have no idea, by the way, how many, the one that they sent over. So by that I mean that I don't know how many slots this thing have. Now, I'm just gonna put this box away before I knock over the studio camera lights. So I'll probably edit this part. It is with 2 slots. There you go. So this is, I think this is wood. Let me just peel this off. Nice hinges here. This is for the speed, obviously. Let me just put all these things away, and we can check the manual as well. Now, to be quite honest, I've never unboxed a watch winder before, so I don't know what to expect. I didn't know what to expect myself. Let me see what else is in here. So here you have a slot for batteries. So it takes 2, I wish I could tell you off the top of my head the type of batteries that it takes, but it's the chunkier ones, I suppose. But yeah guys, that's a bit peeled off there, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be underneath. There you go. And this only takes 2 watches, so in my opinion I think this is probably under $100. Again, I'll put the links on the screen. Okay, so in case this is, I suppose if this is thicker, you can only put the paddings here. Alright, so there you have it guys. A quick unboxing for this watch winder. That is dirty there. I'm going to test this thing out and I will do a quick review as soon as I possibly can, so stick around if you do not want to miss that out. Okay, thank you very much for tuning in guys, and click a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't so, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.